If you're searching for the best new AI software to improve your YouTube channel and streamline your workflow, you need to know about the YouTube Transcript Optimizer AI. This tool has just been released, and today I'll walk you through the 7 crucial things you need to know about it. Stick around because I'm going to show you how this software could totally transform the way you work with YouTube transcripts. And make sure to watch till the end for a special tip on how to make the most out of it. First off, what is YouTube Transcript Optimizer AI? It's an AI tool designed to help content creators like you improve, edit, and optimize your YouTube transcripts. Whether you're a vlogger, marketer, or educator, this tool can save you a ton of time, allowing you to fine-tune your videos and get more visibility. One of the best features? You can try it for completely free with the link in the description below. Let's dive into the first crucial thing you should know. Accuracy. One of the most frustrating things with YouTube videos is when the auto-generated transcript has errors. This AI tool takes care of that by using advanced algorithms to automatically fix common mistakes in your transcripts, like misheard words or broken sentences. This means your content is clearer and your audience can follow along easily. Secondly, let's talk about time-saving features. If you've ever spent hours editing transcripts, you know how exhausting it can be. With YouTube Transcript Optimizer AI, you can generate, correct, and optimize transcripts in minutes. The software analyzes the speech in your video and creates a polished version that's much faster than manual editing. It also has built-in tools for trimming unnecessary filler words, cutting out awkward pauses, and making your transcript more readable. Time saved means more content created. Moving on, this tool is incredibly user-friendly. B. You don't need to be a tech expert to use it. Once you upload your video, the tool automatically processes it. The user interface is straightforward, and even if you've never touched AI software before, you'll have no trouble figuring it out. Another standout feature is its past-hit SEO optimization capabilities. The YouTube Transcript Optimizer AI helps you identify key phrases and keywords in your transcript, making it easier to adjust them for SEO. By refining the language and incorporating high-traffic keywords, you can increase your video's discoverability on YouTube, boosting your ranking in search results. Next, let's talk about multilingual support. With YouTube being a global platform, it's essential to cater to a diverse audience. This software supports multiple languages, so you can easily optimize transcripts for a global audience. It's a game changer if you're looking to expand your reach internationally without the need to manually translate everything. Now here's a tip for power users. Integration. YouTube Transcript Optimizer AI isn't just a standalone tool. It integrates seamlessly with your existing YouTube workflow. Whether you're using it alongside video editing software or analytics tools, it syncs up smoothly, allowing for maximum productivity and efficiency. And finally, accuracy versus creativity. The tool doesn't just clean up your transcripts, it also allows for creative editing. You can tweak the AI-generated text to better match your voice, style, and tone. Whether you need to make a specific phrase stand out or add a personal touch, the AI gives you the flexibility to adjust while still keeping things optimized for clarity. So there you have it. 7 key things you need to know about the YouTube Transcript Optimizer AI. I really believe this software will help elevate your video production process, saving you time and helping you rank higher on YouTube. And remember, after trying thousands of AI tools, I've carefully selected my top recommended software, all of which you can try for free. You can find those in the description below. Trust me, if you're serious about growing your YouTube channel, this is a tool you don't want to miss.